What exactly is a click wrap agreement? I'm sure all of us have come across that I agree button that we reflexively click on while downloading an app or using a website. That's the gateway to the click wrap agreement. Click wrap agreement are a type of an electronic contract wherein an online user or a purchaser agrees to the terms and conditions that they're entering into with the entity that is the service provider. It's always good to know what you're agreeing to. However, not all of us have the time or the patience to carefully read through every single thing that we're agreeing to. Is this a problem? Should you be worried? More importantly, will this agreement hold up in court? While there are no predetermined criteria on how the courts can affirm the legality of these agreements, there are still some aspects that users can look out for to stay vigilant. These include ensuring that the acceptance is unambiguous. This means that the I agree button should not be vague and must clearly inform the user that the terms they are agreeing to are binding on them. Visibility of the terms. This means that the terms that they're agreeing to must be in a readable font and the readers must not have any distractions on the website on which they're reading all these terms and conditions. And lastly, ensure the accessibility. It means that all the terms and conditions must either appear on the same page on which you are currently on, or a hyperlink must be present which leads you to the page which has a more elaborate list of terms and conditions, and the users must be able to save it for their future reference in case they need it for their record keeping. This is Legal Decode. Stay tuned for more.